Good morning, second grade. Our first phonogram today is E-A-A. What are you going to write? Good, E-A-A. Say it while you write it. All right, put your finger under that phonogram. What is it? Good, E-A-A. This is our E-A-A. Our next phonogram is Y-I-E. What are you going to write? Good, Y-I-E. Say it while you write it. All right, class, put your finger under that phonogram. What is it? Good, Y-I-E. All right, our next phonogram is, let's see, we have the of her in our words today. I think we know that one. We'll go ahead and skip that. That's everything we need for our words today. So let's go ahead and review a couple that we've been working on this week. The first one is A-E that we do not use at the end of English words. What are you going to write? Good, A-E that we do not use at the end of English words. Say it while you write it. All right, class, put your finger under that phonogram. What is it? Good, A-E that we do not use at the end of English words. Why not? Good. English words do not end with I. All right, our next phonogram is N, two-letter N, used only at the beginning of a base word. What are you going to write? Good. N, two-letter N, used only at the beginning of a base word. Say it while you write it. All right, class, put your finger under that phonogram. What is it? Good. N, two-letter N. I didn't give you enough time to say the whole name. N, two-letter N, used only at the beginning of a base word. That's this one. Our next phonogram is R, two-letter R. What are you going to write, class? Good. R, two-letter R. Say it while you write it. All right, put your finger under that phonogram. What is it? Good. R, two-letter R. All right, let's go back and read our phonograms that we wrote, class. Good. Yeah. I-E. N, two-letter N, used only at the beginning of a base word. R, two-letter R. Right, this one is A-E. What is this one? Good. A-E, that we do not use at the end of English words. And this one? Good. E-A-A. All right, our first word is date. What's the word? Good. Date. Today's date is February 4th. Date. Class, what sounds do you hear in the word date? Good, our sounds are d, a, t. How do we make our a, say a? Good, silent final E, job 1. Say the sounds while you write them. Put your finger under the first phonogram in that word. What is it? Good, d, a, and good, silent final E, job 1. All right, make sure yours looks like mine. Does this need a marking? This, this, this. All right, mark it. And let's read our word. Good, date. The next word is happy. What's the word? Good, happy. Let's see. She was happy because she would see her friend soon. Happy. Happy is a two-way word. To spell it, we say hap-py. All right, class, listen one more time. Happy. How do we say happy to spell it? Good, happy. All right, what's the first syllable? Good, hap. And the second one? Good, P. All right, what sounds are in our first syllable, hap? Good, the sounds are h, p. And how about our second syllable, P? Good, p, E. All right, so we're gonna do the whole word at once. Remember your syllable break. Wait, though. Our E is ya, I-E. Which E do we use at the end of happy? Good, ya, I-E. All right, say the sounds while you write them. Happy. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word. What is it? Good. Good. Syllable break. Good. E. Which E is it? Good. Ya. I-E. All right. That glare. All right, make sure your word looks like mine. All right, and let's mark it. Does this need a marking? How about this one? How about this one? All right, we haven't seen this in a little while, but we see it a lot in English. We don't hear two p's in happy. This one is here to close the first syllable and keep the vowel from saying its name. It is silent. What do we do to a silent letter? Good, we double underline it. Don't do it yet though. Does this need a marking? How about this one? All right, whenever this says E, that's its third vowel sound, so it gets a 3. Pick up your pencil. All right, class, let's read our word. Good, happy is how we have to say it to spell it. When we're talking, what do we say? Good, happy. But to spell it, we have to make sure we do 2 p sounds. All right, our next word is near. What's the word? Good, near. I live near the school. Near. What sounds do you hear in the word near, class? Good, and near our sounds are n, e, r. We're going to use e, a. Class, which E do we use in near? Good, E, A. Say the sounds, will you write them? All right, put your finger under the first phonogram. What is it? Good. N, E. Which E? Good. E, A. And good. R. All right. Let's see. Does this need a marking? How about this one? Good. This one? All right, mark it. And let's read our word. Good, near. All right, the next word is nearly. Class, what's the word? Good, nearly. Are we nearly to the park? Nearly. All right, so near is our base word. We're going to add, what's the suffix that we're going to add to make nearly? Good, ly. Oh, maybe we remember that one from quickly and slowly. All right, so our first syllable is our base word near. Our second syllable is ly. What sounds are we going to write for ly? Good, ol, e. The E is ya, I-E. Which E is it? Good, ya, I-E. Anytime we have that suffix ly, it's always going to be, our suffixes are always spelled the same way, so ly is always going to be ya, I-E. All right, go ahead and write nearly. Don't forget your syllable break and say the sounds while you write them. right, class. What is our base word for nearly? Good, near. Which E do we use in near? Good, E-A. And for the second syllable, what is it? Good, O. And then good, E. Which E? Good, yeah. Yeah, I-E. All right, make sure your word looks like mine. Does this need a marking? How about this one? Good. This? How about this one? It's saying E. That means every time it says E, it gets this. All right, mark it. Oh, class, let's see, both of these syllables, I forgot to have us say, but the second syllable in happy and the second syllable in nearly, what kind of syllables are those? Open or closed? Look at that last letter. All right, we know this has to be a vowel because there's no other vowels, so that means our vowel is at the end of a syllable, which means it's what kind? Good, open. All right, let's read our word. Good, nearly. All right, our next word is mine. What's the word? Mine, good. He took the pencil, that was mine. Mine. What sounds do you hear in the word mine? Good, our sounds are I, n. How are we going to make our I-E say I? Good, silent final E, job 1. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word, class. What is it? Good. I, and good. Wait, if I don't add the silent final E, what's my word? Yeah, it's just min, and that's not a word. What do I need to add? Good. To make my I say I have to have that silent final E, job 1. Right, class, does this need a marking? How about this one? Good. This. Good, mark it. And let's read our word. Good, mine. All right. Let's see, we've got some more words.